everyone, next, I will introduce to you this set of automatic PVC production line. The main production line is composed of our dispensing machine and an automatic production line. Finally, and a 6-color dispensing machine. Next, I will demonstrate the entire process. This is the mold. This time we are demonstrating a small. If the mold is placed, we can directly press the shortcut key. We are using 2 guns 2 dot now. Normally, we can put more guns dot, which will be more efficient. Today, we are demonstrating our 12-color dispensing machine. It can dot 12 colors at once when you try it. If the program is set here, we also have 12 shortcuts here for you to choose. From we have finished this part of the process. After clicking, next, we will use the assembly line to color it. Baking, and then we will focus on explaining it to you. Our production line. Our production line consists of 2 baking lines. The key point is our production line doesn't need people to operate. We only need one worker to operate the entire production line like this. Let me show you the following. What you see behind now is the tail part, and the color is now baked. It's baked. We have an automatic device here. It doesn't require manual labor. It will automatically sense the mold and automatically push it to the middle to cool. Now we have measured the mold, and after measuring the mold, now we will use our 6-color base material machine to apply the base. Our base material machine is the same. It can also, several nozzles can be clicked simultaneously, which is much more efficient. And our base material machine, workers don't need to take it into the oven by hand. It will automatically sense and then automatically push it inside. So workers, as long as the worker puts the mold on it, he can demold here or continue to glue, or continuously dispensing glue. And then when baking the base material below, let me tell you about our 6-color base material machine. Our 6-color base material on the market. Many still use belts to drive it. Our machine is driven by a silk rod. In this way, its accuracy is relatively much higher than the ordinary ones. Moreover, we also equipped with 2 large 20-liter stainless steel pressure tanks. In this way, it will provide materials relatively much higher than that of ordinary small material tanks. So you don't have to keep shaking the material. The base material is also smartly controlled, automatic sensing mold, and automatically pushed to the middle sink to cool. After grinding like this, our PVC low-speed label has been made. At this time, we can directly demold it. We have a sewing low-speed label ready. The whole process, we only need 1 worker to do it. Moreover, for beginners, can directly operate it without any problem, because we just need to program the program and put it in. He can directly click by pressing the shortcut key. Our base machine is the same. Just press the CTRL key to click, and the oven's temperature is set. Time setting and speed settings are all intelligent. In this way, even if you haven't made this product before, you can start production immediately.